So in this video, I'm just going to quickly show you how to submit a guest blog post for free if you want to do so. So here is the blog here. So this is my blog. And if you have a look at the top tier toolbars, what you need is the PLR. So select the PLR where you'll take to this page. Now, what we'll then need to do is just slightly scroll down and you'll see a list of my products there. And again, feel free to have a look at some of the products. They're all PLR, so private label rights, which you can resell all of the materials and resources that's on there. But what you were interested in is this one here, is the guest blog. So if you want to submit a guest blog, just click on the icon and it'll take you to the guest blog page here. This is the page here. This is the video that you are watching. And if you scroll down, it gives you the instructions on how to do it. So firstly, I must stress, please read the musts and must nots before you submit a blog, because as it's saying on the musts here, everything will be run through a plagiarism scanner before we can approve and upload your blog. So please make sure, the biggest thing is to make sure that your content is unique and it is free of plagiarisms. And once you're happy, or if you have any questions, there's the email address there. So just drop me an email with your blog. We'll run it through the plagiarizer. We'll check all of the links that you've got in and the images, etc. And once you're good to go, we will upload it. So again, feel free to just contact me as well with any questions.